Damaged natural nails transformation with electric nail file for home use Bellasonic in this video coming up. Hello, I'm Anastasia and today I will be trying Bellasonic electric nail file, so let's do the unpacking first. And I was going to open it in a really beautiful, fancy way, but it didn't really work out. Oh well, we'll just open it. So we'll take a look at this silver package later. Now let's take a look at the e-file itself. 4-in-1 electric nail set, advanced nail grooming system. Wow, okay, so let's open the box and take a look of what's inside. The e-file itself is so small and so cute. So when we open the box, we can see what's inside. So we have e-file itself, charger, detailed instructions, transparent holder for e-file, and 4 bits. The design is really nice. It actually reminds me of those professional tools that estheticians use for facials. It has a port which you can use for USB charging and 2 modes. Low for gentle grooming of cuticles and nails, and high for quicker shaping and buffing. Install the USB charging cable to charge it and you will notice the red light above the power button. That means it's charging. Now let's open up that beautiful metallic package and see what's inside. And looks like we have a spare discs there, and there are actually 4 different types of them. And that's nice. I actually have 4 sets of replacement discs. That means I will definitely have enough to work for a while. To change the disc, you need to simply hold it and pull, and then replace it with another disc. The main difference between this e-file and others out there in the market is that it's not just rotating, it's actually moving back and forth, and you can clearly see it now. Actually, it looks pretty cool in the camera. I could not really see it with my naked eye. And this is the second mode, which is higher, and I will definitely use this one for trimming nails and working on the cuticles. When you're done, you can simply clean it with a brush and then it's ready for another use. Let's see if it actually works. So I have natural nails that are pretty damaged because of my countless tortures and experiments. I file the excess length with a hand file, and then I'm using shaping disc to file and shape the edges of my nails, and start with this one. So it actually feels pretty good. Honestly, I was a bit scared to try it at first, but it feels like a soft massage. So you're actually massaging your nails and your skin. And also on the package it says that it is not possible to damage your nails and that you will not feel any heat or burning sensations. And now I actually understand what they were talking about, because you really do not feel any heat even if you will hold it like that for a while. So it is definitely suitable for safe home use. On my middle finger I have some rough cuticles on the right side, and I think this disc might work for it. So let's try it, and it feels so good when you're actually massaging your cuticles with this one. And oh my god, yes, it actually worked. The skin is really soft, and once again, it is definitely not possible to damage or overheat your skin. And since I have a very thick and rough skin right there, I'm using this disc. But if your skin is really soft and thin, you definitely need to use another one, which is a smoothing disc. It smooths nail edges and calloused skin. So I'm going to use this one for cuticles on my other fingers because they're not as rough. I'm also going to soften the corners because when I do this square shape and I leave the really sharp corners, I will definitely end up like a person who was fighting with the cat. So I do not want that. That's why I'm trimming them a little bit more. Also, this disc will perfectly work for taking off some leftovers of gel or gel polish on your nails. If you have too much product to remove, then it is better to actually soak it off or remove it in a different way, but if there is some little leftovers, then this disc will definitely work. On this nail I also have some thick cuticles and I am working with this disc, and this will be definitely the favorite part of this procedure, and it's actually working. You see, I can see this dead skin falling off and I do not feel any heat. It actually feels good, and yes, now we can see a clean soft skin right there. This disc will also definitely work for some calluses around the skin or around the cuticles. You can also clean the sidewalls with it as well, and do not forget to clean the dust from time to time so you will see what's going on there. Now let's switch to the next one, which will be gray buffing disc, which is supposed to buff away excess cuticles and smooth the nail surface. So I definitely need this one because my nails still have some leftovers from the previous product and I want to make them as smooth as possible. I will also use it to buff the cuticles, the side walls, and all the skin around the nails. We're almost done, and the last step, number 4, will be shining disc, the white one. So we switch to this one and it is supposed to buff the nails to a high gloss shine. Now let's start from the first one, and if you want your nails to shine really well, I recommend you to use the high mode so it will rotate faster. Before proceeding to this part, I recommend you to wash your hands and nails with a soap so they will be completely clean and you will remove all the leftovers after trimming the nails or shaping them. If you want to create a really high gloss shine, then you need to do it for a while, like around 1 to 2 minutes per nail. But it's up to you. Maybe you will be happy with just a slight gloss, and if you plan to apply a nail polish later, then this gloss shine will not be really necessary because it adheres to the surface that it's simply buffed even better. I have to admit, I haven't seen my natural nails like that for a while. I even forgot how my nail beds look like. And here's a simple trick to make this glossy shine even better and to condition your cuticle. So apply the cuticle oil on each cuticle and then continue doing this with the shining disc, and it will also massage the cuticle oil into the skin and it will look so beautiful and conditioned. And once again, this is the favorite part because this feels like a great massage. And we're done here. So this is what we had at the beginning and this is what we have now. My nails definitely look so much better, and maybe I even should have my natural nails for a while. Honestly, this is my very first review and first try of the home use electric nail file, and the conclusion is that I would definitely recommend it for home use if you're looking for the solution to trim and buff your nails at home. I will leave all the links below so you can find more information about Bellasonic. Now let me guys know, what do you think, and did you have any experience of working with this or similar products? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you're first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new educational tutorials and reviews just like this one every week. And I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!